SundaeSwap tokens are ready to be claimed. What is up, everyone? Welcome to Crypto Capital Venture. Thank you for coming by. This is going to be a straight to the point, pretty short video, just walking through really quickly how to claim your Sundae tokens. It's extremely easy. I have to play a clip from August 19th, 2021, almost 7 months ago, because we have come very far.
So 50,
Sure.
max to 146 day core.
Yeah.
And then swap.
Yeah, go ahead and swap.
The first live testnet swap, not even the first live swap, the first live testnet swap on SundaeSwap. And I was just telling my wife, that was in August 2021. This was so fun. This time period alone in crypto was extremely fun. But SundaeSwap was just, they obviously were releasing their first testnet swap live on my live stream. And the amount of progress that they've made since I did that video, it's just been so cool to watch the growth of the company and the community and all the technical challenges that have been overcome since then. So SundaeSwap ISO rewards are now claimable through dripdrops.io. Please be patient when claiming your rewards. Over 200,000 wallets will be gunning to claim at the same time. The blockchain will be congested. Here's the website. I'll put a link in the description, dripdrops.io. It's extremely simple. This is it. This is what you want to do. You're going to scroll down on the homepage. You're going to enter your wallet, your staked address, or your ADA handle that you were where you were staking your ADA to take part in the SundaeSwap ISO. You're going to put that address right here. You're going to put check my drops. And then below this, it's going to kind of appear. It's going to come up where you can scroll down the page even a little further, and it will look like this. Just under the check my drops, you'll see currently staking, the amount of ADA that you're staking and in which pool that address is staking for the SundaeSwap ISO. And then you can just click the check mark. You can click, or you can just click claim token, and that will check it off. And then you want to agree to the terms and policy. And then you click claim my drops at the bottom of the page. And then the next page is very simple. It is going to be a QR code. And you can simply send 3 ADA to the above address that they give you, right? So this is obviously not a live QR code, but one will appear here after you do those previous steps. And you send 3 ADA to that address, and then you're good to go. I think at the top of the page, they have this, basically when I was doing this, I did it pretty quickly. It said 0 pending approvals in the queue, estimated token delivery, 0 minutes, 0 minutes. But I think that's being updated as more traffic is being sent here and more people are claiming their tokens, I guess. But this is it. Everybody, that's it. This isn't going to be a long video. I wanted to just put this out there. All of you delegators out there, if you kind of took part in the ISO, first off, I just want to thank you for staking with CCV and any of our CCV pools. This was a really cool, fun experience, and really fun in general to contribute to a project like SundaeSwap as a community together via the staking mechanism founded in Cardano. And this was just one use case of that, and it's been really cool. So appreciate all of you. Go claim your Sundae tokens. Hit the subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Hit that like button. I'll see you in the next video. God bless.